Hello everyone, today we will look at how to download Unity Hub and install it on your PCs. So the first thing you want to do is you can literally just type out download Unity Hub. You come to this link unity3d.com, get Unity download, and the first thing you want to do is download Unity Hub. Once you save it in your downloads and you install it, you will see something like this. Make sure you upgrade to the latest version once it asks you for it. The second thing you want to do is click on this button here and select create account. This will allow you to create an account on Unity and log in, and it also gives you access to their asset store. Once you've logged in, go to installs, go to install editor, and here you can see official releases. There's also pre-releases, so this shows you beta versions or future versions of Unity, and then you can always go into the archive links to download older versions of Unity if you really need it. But typically you should be sticking to official releases, long-term support, always the latest version. So in this case it would be 2021.3.11.f1, which I already have being installed. So once you click install, it will ask you what options you want. So typically you want Android build support, especially if you're working with headsets like Oculus Quest 2. You want iOS build support if you're working on a Mac. There's also Linux build support. Universal Windows platform build support. Typically you would use this for something like a Microsoft HoloLens, but in our case I usually just stick to the basics like WebGL build support, Windows build support. If you need any language packs, you can always download that. I always download the documentation and then the Android build support, and then you press continue. Once you press continue, you will see a window pop up like this, and it shows you everything that's being installed, how the install is going, and before you do this you can also set the project location for where you want this to be installed. That was it. See you in the next video.